In 2025, AI is more than just a tool, it's a game changer. With platforms like ChatGPT, you have the opportunity to generate massive income. This guide breaks down how you can use ChatGPT to build a thriving online business, leveraging content creation, AI-powered services, and scalable digital products. Monetize your knowledge with high-quality, SEO-optimized content for blogging, YouTube, or social media using ChatGPT. Start a blog or website. Use ChatGPT to attract organic traffic and monetize through affiliate marketing, ads, or sponsored posts. ChatGPT can also write scripts for YouTube videos, monetize via ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Offer AI-powered freelance services like copywriting, email marketing, and social media management, automating tasks with ChatGPT. Scale your services to generate consistent income through high-quality writing, automated email campaigns, and social media management. Creating digital products like ebooks and online courses allows you to generate passive income. ChatGPT accelerates content creation. Types of digital products include ebooks, online courses, and templates, which are scalable and can earn you money even when you're not active. To reach $1 million, automate processes with ChatGPT and outsource tasks to focus on growth. Automate content creation and customer support while outsourcing editing and client communication. Diversify your income by combining multiple revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and freelance services. Generating $1 million in 1 year with ChatGPT is possible with the right strategy. Stay consistent and you can achieve your financial goal.